Here's how to book a seat on a Maraliner bus with redBus. Download and open your app. Click the Enter Origin tab to search and select your source city. Now click on Enter Destination and search and select your destination city. Select your date of travel. To select Maraliner as your bus operator, click on Sort and Filter. Scroll down and click the Coach Company tab. The app will display a list of bus operators who service that particular route. Look for Maraliner. Select the bus operator and click Apply. Select the bus of your choice from the range of options that are displayed. Select your seat and then click Done. Select your boarding and your dropping points and then click Proceed. Enter your passenger and contact information and click Continue Booking. Verify your trip details, enter your offer code and select your mode of payment. Once your payment has been confirmed, you will receive your Maraliner bus ticket on your registered email ID. So download the app now and book your bus tickets today with redBus.